Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I am in what I call the journey of the pines, for there is a lot of different species of pine trees in here, and this is one of my favorite serene moments and places to come. You're off the beaten path and you're just taking in Mother Earth, the land here, and the many trees and species. And if I stop right now, this is the view. It is so very beautiful. And this is kind of where we just filmed. I come off the lake. And I bet if I got close, you could identify, if you're a lover of pine trees, the different pine tree species. So I might just bring that to you on this video. Or trees, for not all of these are pine trees, and some have lots of growth. Right now in June, they are so beautiful and green. We've recently had some rainfall, so that sure has helped. The pines have liked the drinks. I think it's in the forecast, some more rain tonight. And this one you're looking at here is a bald cypress. And let's walk over. This is one of my favorite spots, is between this clump here of pine trees. So we're gonna walk near, and I'm gonna just be quiet while you take in the beauty. Of this particular location I am at, on this beautiful day, you can see the sky in the background, how green things are, the big trees that are many, many years old, for they've outlived me. My journey that will be on planet Earth, and they'll continue to go on. We've come across, I told you pine trees, but they're not all pine trees. There's lots of species here. In today's video, we're really just focusing on the pines and the other trees. For those of you that don't know, this is a basswood. Folks, let's keep traveling. We got more trees in this video to take in. My nose is picking up on the pines. It smells so good, and the breeze out here. The breeze is just right to keep you cool with beautiful sunshine. Here we go. Look at the trunk. A big umbrella. It seems on a hot, well, warm day. Some moisture in the air. All the way to the top. The body of this tree is amazing, with its fellow mates. And we'll come out here to the right and follow it up, and we're under the umbrella, and look at this trunk. And as I leave you there, this is a Scotch pine. Now for some of you viewers, you may have had this in your home at Christmas time. Beautifully decorated, a little smaller in size, let's say. Definitely no longer living and been cut down, and for you to enjoy the Christmas season, if that's a holiday you celebrate. You can see the roots in the ground beneath, and all the many pine needles. For if you've had a Scotch pine in your home at Christmas, you know that after the tree drops pine needles. All right, let's go to its neighbor tree right here and take this in. We have a squirrel again. Hi. Hi. How are you? You want to be in this video too? Well, you sure can. You sure can. Pretty squirrel. Yeah, it's okay. Can I film you? Do you want to move around in your tree? You sure can. Can you show me some moves? Can I come closer? It's okay. Okay, no. Oh, there you go. There you go, hon. Awesome. Look at you go. You can go from one pine to the other. Look at you jumped over, and there's a couple of you now playing. Okay, well, we're gonna go and let you guys play. So this pine here, of course, it's been around a while, but it's still a pine. It's so very pretty in its own way. Each one of these pines is so unique. I love to just sit underneath them and watch the branches from the trunk come out. See all the pine needles, smell the pine, feel them. Of course, these are live, they're prickly, although they're beautiful. They aren't gonna leave any punctures or anything on your hands. They're just got their own crisp and prickly at the end. Okay, another one. Let's start at the base, work our way up. You can hear the birds, and we can see the sun poking through. This one has birds on it. We'll do another, because we are definitely in with the pines now. I'm going to show you here. I believe it was last season I come through here on a walk, and it was like, you could say, strangulated all the way around, if you've ever noticed this, with twigs. Now there it's not showing up anymore, but you can really see the indentions again over here that in the tree. Beautiful, beautiful tree. Mother Nature is very good to us. Here's a couple different markings of different spots where there was some twigs that were strangulating the tree. Now that wouldn't be enough to probably kill the tree, but the tree definitely is happier without the twigs wrapped around them tightly and snug. Thanks for watching my video, everybody. These are a lot of Scotch pines. Thanks for joining me on the journey of the pines today. Blessings.